Hello, my name is Catherine Liebow Nelson, and today I will be presenting on creating graphics using Adobe Spark, which is an Adobe program that you can download for free or included with your tuition using your SJSU ID number. If you type in SJSU Adobe into Google, one of the first options should show Adobe Creative Cloud for Students. When you click on it, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. And if you see where I'm hovering over, where it says Adobe Access Form, you click on this and you can fill out the form to have access to all of the Adobe programs. This is the Adobe Spark homepage. Up at the top, where I'm hovering over, these are some of the sizes or posts that you can create. Right here are some of my recent projects. I'll open that in just a moment. And at the bottom are some of the templates that you can use. Here are some of the different projects that I've created using Adobe Spark. These are for my job, for the first generation student group through the iSchool program. Here's one that should look familiar from the very beginning where my clicker is hovering over. And also for the student research journal. So you can use Adobe Spark in many different ways. For the sake of this presentation, I'm going to choose to create a Facebook post sized graphic. What I'll be designing for this presentation will be a quick announcement for the fall general meeting for the first generation student group. Over here where my mouse is where you can search for a specific template. I highly suggest using a template on any project. You can just use it for the basic outline and then adjust it to fit your needs. To very quickly go over all of these controls on the right-hand side, Add will allow you to add a logo, icon, photo, or text. Templates is what is open already. Design is one that I don't play with very much just because I do rely heavily on templates. Colors will allow you to change the colors of texts. Layout will allow you to add a border or to change your size or even the layout style. Resize will allow you to shift from, say, a Facebook post size, which is what I have selected now, to a Snapchat story size. I don't recommend using animations just because that does not always transfer over well to social media or other online sites. So to begin, I will find a template. I found a template that I like, and although this is not at all what I want it to look like, I do like the basic outline, so I will be adjusting this. Now that it's open, I'm going to start by changing some of the colors to change them to SJSU colors. Now that I have my color selected, I'm going to go in and change the background image and the text. So I double clicked and I'm going to change this to meeting. Let me find a meeting. Let's go with this. I don't like the crane, so I'm going to double click it and then go up here where my mouse is hovering above the project and click delete. To change text, I double click and then type out what I want. Down here is where you can center your text, shift it to the right, shift it to the left, change the sizing, and just play around with what you have written. I'm going to go ahead and change all of the type on this project, and then I will be right back. All right, I've written out all of the information that I wanted to include, and I have changed the colors. Now I will very quickly show you how to change the font. When you click on the right side, type, you can go to where my mouse is hovering over, where it says Font Family, and then select. Once you're done with your project, you can go over to the left top side of the page, next to where it says Spark Post, and rename your project. After that, you can go to the top right side, next to where it says Share, and click Download. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I very much hope that you download Adobe Spark and consider using it for future projects. Thank you.